Amy from the blog of blossominglife.com, and today I want to show you how to make DIY disinfecting wipes that work for your hands or for surfaces. This is kind of a big deal right now because a lot of places are out of hand sanitizer or they're out of disinfecting wipes. And so you can make them at home. Now I do want to say that if you hear some background noise, I'm really sorry. We have baby chickens right over here. So all you're going to need to make your own disinfecting wipes is rubbing alcohol, easily at least 90%, or you can use like a vodka that is 190 proof. Hydrogen peroxide could also work. You are going to need some wipes. Now you could even use paper towels. I like to use, we have like pure baby wipes that really just they don't really have any chemicals or anything. They're mostly water. And so I have some of those. I have distilled water in here. You could also just use boiled and cooled tap water. And then also I have some germ-fighting essential oils. You could use a thieves' light oil, On Guard. You could also use Luca, ones that are gonna help disinfect and fight germs. Clove, eucalyptus, rosemary, those type of things. Some of those are not kid safe, so just make sure to check to see if you are gonna use this around your kids, if they are kid safe or not. So in here I have 2 tablespoons of water. I'm gonna add half a cup of rubbing alcohol. All right, and then to this I'm gonna add about 5 to 10 drops of essential oils. So I'm gonna do a combination of On Guard and Luca. Then I'm just going to mix it up. And then I'm going to pour it over my wipes. And with this, you can keep them stored in like a Ziploc bag or a different container. This is not quite big enough, so I am going to put it in here to soak and then transfer it over to like a gallon Ziploc bag. Or you could just get a container that's big enough, or if you have a reusable like a plastic wipe container, that would also work. Just make sure to clean it thoroughly. All right, so then I'm going to pour this over the wipes. And we're gonna let that soak in for about 5-10 minutes. And then basically they're ready to go. I am gonna transfer them into that Ziploc container, and then when I need to disinfect something, or I can keep them in my car to disinfect our hands if we have to go grocery shopping or anything like that, just to keep ourselves a little bit more protected, make sure the germs stay off our hands to keep us well. But it's really, really simple to make. You don't need very many things to make it. And this is all natural. It doesn't contain any artificial fragrances or harmful chemicals that we don't really want on our skin. These will stay good for about 1 to 2 months. And you can just use it as you would, say, for cleaning countertops or cleaning your hands. And it's going to have all those antibacterial properties. If you want to, you could split this in half. You could put half. You can keep half in the house and keep half, say, in the car. That way you can disinfect your hands or the steering wheel or anything like that. It's just a really simple recipe, and if you can't find them in the stores, might as well make them at home. They're really inexpensive. Like I said, you can use paper towels or you can do wipes. I like to use the wipes just because I like the type of material it's made out of. All right, someone's awake. So thank you so much for joining me today on how to make your own DIY antibacterial wipes. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I share 2 new videos every week on simple recipes, DIY projects, and natural living tips. Thanks so much for stopping by. Let me know in the comments if you make it. I will link in the description box below how to make this recipe. And you can even add other things like aloe to it for your hands if you want something a little bit softer. So those instructions are all in there too.